Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1987 Chevy 1500 truck. This casting is by Maisto and it's a 1:64. So it's like Maisto design, which is kind of premium for Maisto, because you've got Maisto fresh metal, which is like the main line or base line for these cars. So let's open it up and see how does it look. And while I open the box, if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. So here is the Chevy 1500 truck out of the box, and I must say the paint looks really good on it. So does the white wall wheels. I like the paint, like it's a more of a matte or flat finish blue, and with white upper side or roof and the pillars. It looks really good and like really nice. It looks like a custom truck. So let's start from the front. Up front, you've got the chrome bumper, chrome grille, and chrome headlamps, which are not the best details you can get, but again, it looks alright. Doesn't look bad. Coming to the driver's side, again, it's a lower truck. You can see that it feels lower. But yes, in the interior, you can see it has got a chrome steering wheel, which looks nice. Looks different apart from the other interior parts. You've got the detail on the door handles, painted door handles. You've got detailed tail lamp, again chrome bumper, and it reads Outlaws on the number plate. And this is how it looks from the top. Doesn't have any mirrors. I don't know why Matchbox didn't do that, but it has got a opening hood. So you've got a again chrome engine inside. So everything is chrome, so you can't really like see a lot of difference, but again, you have an opening hood, you have an engine inside. And also, I wasn't expecting this, but the cover opens up on the bed and it reveals the bed again, which looks good. So that was an added like feature. I didn't know about that. It's a plastic piece, and like an actual truck you will get a cover it's like that. So it looks good. I really like the paint job on this one. It looks really nice, really custom. And this is how it looks from the bottom. Again, some good details added on it. And I've noticed this Matchbox, like they haven't used rivets. Instead, they use screws on it. If you're someone who likes to make custom trucks or like diecast, you will love to do that. So you can just open it up and work on it. The tires are rubber, and even the rim design is like premium on the premium side, so it looks like, you know, steel wheels, like in painted ones. So yeah, I like this one. Looks nice. It's a good casting, and these are slightly cheaper than the Hot Wheels Premium. It's almost the same price as the Matchbox moving parts. So for that price, I would say, yeah, you can go get one. It looks really nice, and good job, Maisto. Looks really good. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good day.